This is the ORAP. I am Davina. Here are the stories making headlines today. Journalist Winston Babatunde Witter has died. Witter, who worked at several media houses during his stay in the profession, died Wednesday after ailing for some time with cirrhosis of the liver. Former president of the Press Association of Jamaica, Desmond Richards, remembered Witter as a conscientious person who cared very much for the profession of journalism.
Watching a man, more on the wall, who just come for a pre-Valentine's gift. Come get a proper fix up.
In other news, the St. Anne police today said sex party promoter Shanice Combo Boss Wilson seemed to have heeded the warning of officers not to bring her event to the parish. Last month, Wilson had been promoting a pre-Valentine's version of her now infamous Combo Party in Ocherius. However, the police said that several inspections made so far have revealed that the party was not held. On the crime scene, swift investigations by the police led to the detention of 2 suspects in connection with the shooting of a policeman on Tuesday night. The policeman, who is stationed in the St. Catherine South Division, was on his way to work when he was attacked and shot by gunmen traveling on motorcycles. His firearm and motorbike were also stolen. The men are yet to be charged as investigations are ongoing. Police probing the murder of 2 men in the downtown Kingston Coronation Market 2 weeks ago have linked an internal gang feud with the killings. At least 1 man is now in custody in connection with the murders, while the search for other suspects continue. Meanwhile, the police are yet to determine a motive for Tuesday's shooting death of a fish vendor at the Old Harbour Fishing Village in St. Catherine. Reports are that the vendor was shot by a lone gunman who fled the area shortly after. The vendor has since been identified as 52-year-old Patsy Coleman. And in sport, India defeated the West Indies by 6 wickets in the first 2020 international in Kolkata today. Chasing 158 for victory, India's Rohit Sharma's 40 off 19 balls put India in control as the hosts achieved their target with 7 balls to spare to take the lead in the 3-match series. This has been the ORAP. Catch up with these and other stories on JamaicaObserver.com. I am Davina.